This is from Ibn Umar radiallahu anhuma actually. قال كان لرسول الله صلى الله عليه وسلم مؤذنان. There were two muadhdhins for Rasulullah صلى الله عليه وسلم. Who knew that? Did anybody know that? Rasulullah صلى الله عليه وسلم had two muadhdhins. Yes. Okay, Bilal, and you heard Sheikh talk about Ibn Maktum yesterday. Okay, Sheikh Naif. Ibn Maktum, a blind Sahabi, one of the earliest converts, including Bilal radiallahu anhu. Both earlier converts, they used to make adhan for Rasulullah sallallahu alaihi wasallam. It says al-a'ma, the blind. Okay, Ibn Maktum al-a'ma. فقال Rasulullah sallallahu alaihi wasallam. Okay, by the way, just very quickly, you know the surah Abasa wa Tawalla, where Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala is rebuking Rasulullah sallallahu alaihi wasallam. You frowned and you turned away from who? Yes, the blind man. And ja'ahu al-a'ma. When the blind man came to you, which blind man is this? This Ibn Maktum radiyallahu anhu. Rasulullah sallallahu alaihi wasallam felt so bad after this, so bad. There's many narrations. Everybody used to honor Ibn Maktum because the Quran came talking about what did you do to Maktum? You frowned and you turned away. He didn't really frown or turn away. Wallahu alam. Okay, he just didn't pay him attention. He just looked at him and then he went. He started to do what he was doing. He was trying to convert other people.
He was in the middle of a conversation with someone.
Yes, with a big leader of Quraysh. Anyway, so the honor Ibn Maktum got, one of the honors, there are many honors. One of the honors is he became the muadhdhin of Rasulullah sallallahu alaihi wasallam in addition to Bilal radiallahu anhu. Okay, now. فقال رسول الله صلى الله عليه وسلم إن بلالا يؤذن بليل فكلوا واشربوا حتى يؤذن ابن مكتوم. Rasulullah صلى الله عليه وسلم said Bilal is making the adhan at night, but eat and drink until Ibn Maktum makes the adhan. So the two adhans of Fajr, which was the sunnah of Rasulullah sallallahu alaihi wasallam in all throughout Medina until he passed away, was Bilal used to make the adhan to wake people up. Okay? How long? Maybe 15 minutes, 20 minutes, 30 minutes, Wallahu alam. Okay? And then when it was the actual time of Fajr, Ibn Maktum, he was blind. He doesn't know when it's Fajr. He's being told by other people, go make the adhan now. Okay, so look at the honor of Ibn Maktum. He is making the actual Fajr adhan, not the early pre-adhan. Okay? So Rasulullah sallallahu alaihi wasallam is saying, eat until Fajr time. Now, technical note. What is Rasulullah sallallahu alaihi wasallam saying? Keep eating until the adhan of Fajr. Clear? Does that make sense? Okay. We'll talk about that inshallah next time. قال ولم يكن بينهما إلا أن ينزل هذا ويرقى هذا. So the time between the two adhans was just as long as it would take Bilal radiallahu anhu to come down the stairs and Ibn Maktum to climb up the stairs. Okay? Anyways, lots of detail here, lots of fiqh can be derived from this. I'm not going in that line. I'm just giving you these snippets of seerah so you guys can understand what's going on at that time.